There's one Suraj who supported me all my life. I can support another Suraj for a few months.
Who is a big hand today? सलमान खान। एक होता है असली प्रोड्यूसर, एक होता है फर्जी प्रोड्यूसर। तो ये असली प्रोड्यूसर हैं, मैं फर्जी प्रोड्यूसर हूँ। ये मुझे ज़िंदगी भर प्यार करते रहे, इसलिए इन्होंने कहा कि अगर आपकी कहानी है तो आप प्रोड्यूसर भी बन जाइए। लेकिन मेहनत सब इन्होंने की है, म्यूज़िक इन्होंने बनाया है, फिल्म इन्होंने बनाई है, निखिल ने बनाई है और टीम ने बनाई है। एंड माई बेस्ट विशेस एंड ब्लेसिंग्स टू दिस ग्रेट प्रोजेक्ट सर।
Sir, this would never have been possible without your help. You know that.
Blessings तो दे सकते हैं।
The most difficult person to handle in this film was Salman Khan. He wants everything bigger. He wants everything better. I don't care, spend more money. Ambar, am I right? And he's the most difficult, I mean the best producer who
person to satisfy. You're right about that.
Most difficult person to satisfy.
I don't know what the fate of the film is, what the fate of the film is going to be, but I think both of them are stars. I think he will come straight into my slot and he'll say, "Chalo uncle, thoda sa aage chalo, thoda sa aage chalo." My duty is not to aage chalo, but for him to push me as long as possible. Kaisa chal thoda aage chala hi jata hu. So I've got to hold my. He's got to lessen the gap between him and me. I've got to keep it maintained. Same thing with Atiya. That every time a movie is offered to her with me, she says, no, too old. Too old, no. So she should only work with the younger generation and never come up to that generation, our generation, no matter how big a stars we are. कि ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए कि काम कर लिया उसके बाद अरे अतिया को ले लें, अरे नहीं यार, अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम चला गया है। She should always work so hard that she should be working with the younger generation as well as the our generation. समझे आप लोग?
Before coming here, I was extremely nervous. I messaged Nikhil, so I think 5 times, saying, oh my God, but he calmed me down like he always does. And I don't know, I'm like so emotional right now because it's been such an amazing journey for both of us, for all of us. We've worked really hard, we've put in our all, and I hope you like it. And I'm so happy and glad to see so many people who are here to support us. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here.
This is a dream launch, what people call a dream launch. It is one. And I don't think I could have gotten better than this. I see a lot of people over here who want to be actors, people who are much more talented than me, much more good looking than me, have a better body than me. But they don't make it here, and I've made it, and it's a big thing for me. That's it.
You guys better do well, because the film does well, I do well. If, God forbid, anything happens, then buddy, I become a punching bag. One side your father, one side your father. Very difficult to survive that.
सलमान, आपके हिसाब से हीरो कौन होता है, ना आपका हीरो कौन है जिसको आप हीरो मानते हैं?
हीरो के कैटेगरीज तो बहुत होते हैं। एक पहले हीरो होता था जो कि एक लूजर था, फिर एक रोमांटिक हीरो हुआ, फिर एक्शन हीरो हुआ, फिर एक फैमिली ड्रामास के अंदर एक लड़का, एक कॉमन मैन, वो हीरो बना। मेरे हिसाब से जब आप थिएटर से निकलो एंड एक लड़की चाहती है कि ये मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, ये मेरा पति बने, एक दूसरी लड़की चाहती है कि ये मेरा भाई बने, एक दूसरी लड़की चाहती है कि मुझे एक ऐसा बाप मिले, और एक और किस्म की लड़की चाहती है कि मुझे ऐसा बेटा मिले। So when you come out of the theater, and women feel this emotion, different women feel this emotion for the hero, and the opposite sex feel it for the heroine, then I think you have your hero and your heroine both there.
Salman's input from day one, जब हम लोग script पे बैठे थे,
has been rejected.
जब script has been rejected, correct. No, so I think Salman was very clear कि he wanted the day he called me and he told me, I want you to make a film with newcomers the way it used to be made. जिस तरह से बनती थी, जिस तरह से मेरा लॉन्च हुआ था, उस तरह से make those kind of films. I was coming out from a very small film at that time called D-Day, and मैंने बहुत ही छोटी film उस time पे बनाई थी. And Salman, when he saw a certain things that we had made, he said, Nikhil, I want Salam Ishq. I want it to be bigger. I want it to keep...
in the beginness of the way he shot Salam Ishq,
yeah.
Not the result of...
Yeah.
You guys don't scare me like this.
Yeah. The bigness, the way... Yeah. So, for me, I couldn't have asked for a better producer. Somebody who kept pushing us to the limits, kept telling us that you need to make it, go back, try make this bigger. And so it's not as if there was no rejection. It's just every time we were discussion stage पे बात होती थी कि ऐसे करो action को we used to come with references and say ये action से नहीं action को बड़ा करो, इसको ऐसा करो, climax को और भी बड़ा करो, ये actors को so it was always a collaborative effort and he kept pushing us to make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
As a producer आपकी तो सबने बहुत तारीफ कर दी, but आपने किसी से tips लिया अच्छे producer होने का, या क्या कहना चाहेंगे एक अच्छा producer कैसे होता है?
देखिए जो right अच्छा producer, director, actor वही होता है जिसको एक अच्छे script की एक समझ है. तो as long as you're taking a film because as a producer, actor, or director, because you think it is a fabulous script, and the intention of why you're making this film should work. Ab hero ke andar, Meenakshi Seshadri and Jackie Shroff at that point of time, both newcomers, did really well. Why? They were good, but the film was a superb film, directed by Subhasji. Rocky did really well. Sanju did really well. Why? Because of Rocky. Kumar Gaurav, Love Story. Then came Amir Khan, Betab, Sunny Deol. So that is the kind of film that we wanted to make. Now, I cannot keep on making all those love stories again. So the one that I liked, which Subhasji had, and very generously he gave us the rights to make the film. I went up to him and said, this is the film that I want to make with two newcomers. And I just thought that Suraj and Atiya were the best to do these parts.
फिल्म कितनी ओरिजिनल है और कितनी डिफरेंट रखने की कोशिश की, और हमने देखा है कि जो हीरो का जो सिग्नेचर ट्यून था एक्चुअली फ्लूट का, इज दैट बीन देयर इन द फिल्म?
वो सिग्नेचर ट्यून तो सुभाष के पास था ही नहीं. वो म्यूजिक तो सुभाष जी के पास था ही नहीं. वो टाइटल भी सुभाष जी के पास था.
वो मेरे पास नहीं, HMV के पास था.
लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट उनके पास थी. That's all we needed.
Talking about the box office collection, the recent release Bahubali made 100 crores within a span of 2 days.
We don't think we can make that right now till we are proved wrong. If we are proved wrong.
Do these numbers scare you?
Of course they scare you, yeah. See, Bahubali is a damn good film, but it needed our cinema to make those numbers, okay?
My question is to Salman.
So now we need their cinema to make us those numbers.
क्या आपका कोई कैमियो भी देखने को मिलेगा इस फिल्म में?
नहीं, जितना आप यहाँ पे देख रही हैं उतना ही है.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
हर शो के अंदर देखेंगी, प्रमोशन के अंदर मेरा जॉब वहीं तक के है. बाकी पूरी फिल्म इनके और इनके कंधों पर, इनके भी. I would like to call the original producers of both these kids. Mr. Aditya Pancholi and Mr. Sunil Shetty.